If you've recently updated your iPhone to iOS 26 and above, you may notice a new feature called Spatial Scene. What Spatial Scene does is creates a three-dimensional looking effect to your photos, giving them that parallax. And it's really kind of cool. It's a novelty at the moment, but I really like having these kind of photos as my wallpaper. So I'm going to show you how to do that and also how to just turn on and off this effect so you can check it out yourself. So if I just X out right now, I'm going to go to a photo where I don't have Spatial Scene applied to yet. And just a side note, Spatial Scene doesn't change the photo. You still have your original. It just creates the opportunities to see it with the parallax effect. So let's see. I don't have it applied to this photo here. So if I want to apply Spatial Scene for the first time, I go up to the top corner with the little hexagon and the arrow, and I click that. And now it takes a moment to evaluate the photo. If you've already applied Spatial Scene, you don't have to wait. It'll just kind of know. But now I've got this really cool three-dimensional wolf looking thing. I love, it looks really nice. So what if I want to make that my
wallpaper?
Well, I'm going to X out, go to my original photo here. Okay, it's flat, so it's not spatial, but I am going to hit this little upload button or share button. Go down and click use as wallpaper. I do it this way because I found through my settings, it doesn't remember to keep it spatial for some reason. But now it's still flat. What I need to do is turn on Spatial Scene after I've already done it once in my photos. So it really knows that's the little hexagon. Don't forget, that's the Spatial Scene symbol. Whoopsies. That's the Spatial Scene symbol. So now my background is 3D. Isn't that cool? Yeah, so I would just hit add at this point. I'm going to set my wallpaper as a pair. Now, if I just lock my screen and tap, I've got a cool three-dimensional wallpaper that I'm really happy with. So that's Spatial Scene in a nutshell. Like I said, it doesn't change your photos. It just now has the parallax effect to pull from. If you want to view them that way, or if you want to make them your wallpaper. So I hope you found this helpful. Like I said, you still have all your original photos. Just hit Spatial Scene. Just hit Spatial Scene. And you'll be able to see them in 3 dimensions. And now if I scroll within this Spatial Scene, and you'll know you're there because you'll only have that little X at the top, every photo I view will be spatial. So this one didn't have Spatial Scene applied yet. So now it's applying and spatial, and I can keep swiping and seeing all my photos this way. And if I want to stop seeing them with this effect, just X out and you'll go back to your regular photos. Boom, boom, boom. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give me a like and let me know in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.